Hello once again. You're probably wondering what I'm doing with the items that I have on my bench right now. Well, I'm going to be talking about something that's somewhat controversial depending on who you ask. It's just really a matter of, do you want to add a little bit more ingredients to your liquid hand soap or gel to make it foaming, or do you not? Do you want to use it as a liquid hand gel, hand soap in a foaming pump, which most often it doesn't foam. The items you'll be needing for today is a 4-ounce funnel, some dishwashing liquid. This is the ingredient that'll help your gel or liquid hand soap foam, and it's based on interpretive volume that you'll need to make it foam more or less. So what you do is you'll take this funnel and put it into a container of either 2 liters or so or more, maybe even in the same container, empty container, that your liquid hand soap or gel will be in, similar to the one that I'm looking at now, which is roughly 2 liters and a half. So what you do is you'll put this funnel in a clean, empty container of 2 liters or more, and you'll fill it with liquid hand soap or gel up to this part of the rim, right? So what you do is you'll fill it up to this part, and the only reason I'm not doing that is because I just finished making some right now, and I figured, hey, this is a really good video to upload. So once the liquid hand soap is up to here, or gel, you'll take your dishwashing liquid and you'll squeeze, like I said, interpretively, based on amount of foam that you want, 7 to 21 droplets, or squeeze. When you squeeze a bottle, it dispenses a certain amount of dishwashing liquid, and this is, I think, I'd want to say maybe like a 4-ounce bottle. So you could still use the large 1 gallon bottle, but you'll squeeze a little bit more gently, 7 to 21 times into this funnel. Now you're probably wondering why you want to do that. Well, this generic dishwashing liquid is from the dollar store, while the gel is from a boutique, or sometimes you can even purchase it from your high volume stores such as S Club and the other store that's similar to S Club. Okay, so here's a controversial part. If you'll notice that on this foaming hand gel, the first ingredient is water. Water by volume, along with some other ingredients, make foaming hand soap. And this is a foaming hand soap dispenser. Well, they add water to this hand soap to begin with. That's the first ingredient in this. But it's not enough water to make foam. Here's the ingredient that you'll need to make foam. Is your dishwashing liquid. And anybody who's used this in a improper manner knows that it makes a lot of foam. Sometimes I'll use this to wash off my sidewalk, and I'll put a couple of droplets of this into a bucket, and with a pressurized water nozzle, it makes a lot of foam. Okay, so going back to the steps one more time. You'll fill your 4-ounce funnel up to almost the top of the funnel itself while it's inside the bottle, and you'll squeeze out 7 to 21 times of the liquid gel. Make sure it's the dollar kind from the dollar store. It doesn't have to be the very expensive kind. This is the foaming engine itself. And once the funnel is empty, you'll pour your water into here, pour your water into here, and fill your 2-liter bottle full of water. Right? Your 2-liter bottle full of water. And then what you'll do is you'll fill it almost to the very top. I'd say leave about a 2 to 4 inch gap at the very top of the container. Right? Don't fill it all the way to the very top. Leave a little bit of a gap. Okay. Once the foam is settled in here, you'll keep filling this up until it reaches, I'd say, this point of the bottle. You'll have to do that several times because it'll foam as you fill it. It'll foam as you fill it. Okay. And once you get it to this portion, what you'll do is that you'll shake the bottle. Just by example, you'll shake your bottle because a lot of the times the gel or liquid will settle to the bottom, and you'll shake it vigorously and it'll make a foaming hand soap liquid. Okay. This will allow you to use your gel or your liquid hand soap, your gel or your liquid hand soap, as a foaming hand soap. So long as you have the liquid dishwashing detergent in it. Okay. So that's for the tip for today. So I really don't have a bonus, but I'm going to talk about something, a new project that I'm going to be trying. Is that I'm going to be taking these Tabasco peppers and I cut them up with these really sharp pruners, and I'm going to be trying and propagating or taking these items and once it's its germination stage, which is either red or orange, and I'll be growing some additional Tabasco peppers. So that's our video for today. Now I know I don't have a bonus and I'm sorry about that, but most often not all of my videos will have bonuses, other than the fact that, you know, maybe the bonus is how to optimize your liquid gel hand soap. This right here is purchased by going to your store, your S Club store, and you get 2 bottles of 2 liters of liquid, which is essentially almost 5 liters of liquid for, I want to say, about $10 with tax. And it'll allow you to use this for months at a time, because if you use this in gel form or liquid form, it won't foam in your foaming dispenser. So that's, I guess, the bonus for the video itself. How to take your $10 and literally, you know, double or triple it in its value, sometimes even 4 in its value. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it's not too controversial, because I'll expect a lot of people to say, well, you're actually ruining this product. It's like, no, I'm maximizing this product and creating it in a form to where it's you'll be able to get more use out of it. See you on the next video.